My partners, co-founders with myself of the Freedom Team, which is a almost 3,000 agent organization inside of EXP. Kathy Carter, Sean Sturrock, Eric Golden, Jeff Morale. Love you guys. We've just kind of all risen, and honestly, we're not even in each other's organizations to some extent, meaning we don't get paid by helping each other. We're helping each other because we want to, and because we wanted to build something bigger than ourselves. So I talk about them, and we all have different backgrounds. I was a RE/MAX broker owner. Kathy was a Keller Williams broker, and she also worked for a 100% firm. And Jeff and his wife Lane, they were one of the top teams in the Colorado Springs market. Eric Golden, love the man, just spent the last 2 days with him. He's probably closed 300 transactions in his real estate career, and just really just understands how to build an organization like nobody I've ever talked to. And Sean got his real estate license to come to EXP. He saw this model and loved it so much. And he came from a marketing background, growing companies in his prior life. And he came to EXP to grow this company because he believed in it. And the five of us, we've got 3,000 agents that we call the Freedom Team, pouring into each other. But it doesn't stop there. Because of collaboration, we reach up. I know our co-presidents personally. I know our CEO, Jason Gessing, personally. I know our founder, Glenn Sanford, personally. And they're an extended part of the Freedom Team that I can call on them at any time. If I've got a 300 agent brokerage that's considering moving to EXP, I'm going to go to Glenn and say, hey, can we get together and talk to this person on a 3-way call? He's going to say yes. How many people out there? I couldn't have called Dave Leniger, and nothing wrong with RE/MAX. I love that company, but I couldn't have ever called Dave Leniger and him answer my call, yet alone, or return it. You know, there was a process, a pecking order, if you will. And every corporation that I've ever been affiliated with has been like that, but not this company. If I wanted to host a 1,000-person event and I invited our founder to it, as long as I did it in coordination with his calendar, he would be there supporting me. Never seen that before. It couldn't get much better than the support we have in the Freedom Team.